Okay, here we go. Guys, today we're going to break down the heel tap. Okay, we're going to start with the singles. Basically what we're going to do is you're just going to tap your heel, 1 and 2, and just like that. You guys are facing forward. I'm going to face the side so that you can see what it looks like from the side. You can go this way. 7, 8, 1 and 2, and okay, let's go to 4 now. 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Okay, so we're only focusing on the heel. Now, one thing I want to mention is when I tap my heel, it's not so much forward. You see right here? I'm only just tapping right here. My heel is here. Now I'm just tapping right here where the ball of my foot is. 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and perfect. Okay. Now let's go all the way to 8 this time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 5 and 6 and 7. That's an easy drill. Okay. Now let's try it this time with adding some hip and chest movement. Okay. So I'm going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Let's do just the hip movement without the legs to the 8 count. 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. I'm not going to cut you guys off. Let's try one more time. A little bit faster. 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. I'm going to slow it down. This time we're going to add the heel with our little hip and chest movement. Okay? 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. That part so far so good. Okay? So there's no questions. We're gonna move on. Now we're gonna double it, which means I'm gonna go right side twice, left side twice. Okay? We're gonna take away the hip movement, focus on just the heel tap. 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Easy peasy. I'm going to go to the side. 1 and count. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Now we're going to add the hip movement, keeping it double. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5 and 6, 7. Good. One more time. I'm going to go sideways. 6, 7, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Good. This is a good drill to just build the rhythm, okay? Now this one's a little bit more difficult. What I'm going to do is instead of 1 and bring it back, I'm going to go 1 and. So when I tap my toe here, I'm going to tap it just right in front of the other foot here. I don't need to cross it all the way. This is going to take a little bit more movement. So we're going to make it easy. You're going to go 1 and. That's all it is, okay? 1 and. Now when I turn here, it helps if I turn my body slightly, okay? It's a little bit easier. So we're gonna try that. 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Let's go all the way to 8. So make sure the hip kind of turns a little bit because when I turn this way, it's a lot easier to do, okay? And notice the chest, the shoulder also turns. 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. That looks great when everybody kind of turns uniformly, right? So let's try that again. I'm going to go to the side. 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. That's perfect. Now we're going to add this hip movement in there. So there's a lot going on in your head. If you can't do it, don't worry about it. If you can, I want you to try it with this. Here we go. Ladies, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. I love it. Let's try it again. This time a little bit faster. I'm going to face the side. 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Awesome. Last tweak we're going to do is we're going to do double, double, and then single, right? Double, double, single, single, double, double, single. Here we go. 7, slow. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and. That was it. Okay, let's start one more time. Let's face the side. We'll keep it slow for now. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Double, then sing. Good. We're going to try it one more time. This time we're going to go 2-8 counts. Okay, 2-8 counts. Just a little bit slower, not too fast. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and one more time. Da 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 da. Good. Excellent. Should we try music? Music. Let's try music.